Bradley. Boat is struggling. He's got the monster.
I hope for a good reason. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah? Oh shit. Bradley's got his first fish. My boat's gonna go for a tour while we bring this thing in.
Oh, look at this monster.
Jesus!
Look at him.
Ted, grab the measuring tape.
Oh, look at.
Oh! Dude!
Did you see that? He was eating this one.
Oh my god!
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Wicked. Okay, so we got proof.
Dude, just leave that on and throw it back in.
You had. Wow. Did you see the size of that sucker?
Dude, I think he may have beat us. 26 is the record. I think he just.
Of
course, there's no proof. I won't leave that.
No proof.
I'll edit that out of the video. We won't see that. But. Oh.
Yeah, he got it. He got one.
There goes Bradley again.
You got one?
Oh.
Well, what the hell kind of lures? He does. It's the same baby he had before.
No, that one's dead and it's over by your feet.
Oh, well, look. It's a baby again. Go by the way.
Oh, they my trim.
Look, it's just a tiny one.
It's a little guy.
That's what his last one that he caught was eating when he brought it in. Yeah, it's like that. Nice job, man. You're 3 so far. How many did you caught, Lau?
Tonight, none.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And you, Ted?
No, I couldn't. 0. I thought we were going to show the new guy how to do it.
No, it seems to be the way though. You bring out somebody new and they always score. And you're sitting there, yeah, I have caught him. I have.
I swear. Found some weeds there. Woo! Oh, did you see that?
Ted, you're always almost falling in the water.
I think he likes it.
Hang on, frog! I'm gonna catch all the fish.
There's going to be some crazy one. Charlie, look at that frog, dude. You get it. You got this.
This is where I'm going to overheat something. Uh-oh.
Does it have water cool?
I've got no control. Whose boat is that? Uh-oh.
Not mine.
Who is that? Is that Brad? I got no steering. No steering. No steering. That was awesome.
My boat.
Did you see how close my lure came? Thought I would snag you. You imagine getting snagged by a frog, dragged under? Whose boat is that? Whose boat is that?
Wait, whose boat is that?
You're trying to get my line.
Get that frog.
Oh my God! Slow down, Charlie. Wow. You're hyper. Oh, what's his name?
Sadie.
She?
Yeah. Hi, Sadie.
Sadie, slow down.
Hi. Hi.
I got one
He likes to watch the boat, Sadie.
Hey, baby, come here. What are you doing? That's goose. Slow down. Hey, slow down, baby. Hey, what are you doing? You want to get a boat?
You're so pretty.
He just want to get a boat, that's what.
Oh, did you see that?
No, not at all.
I saw the lure at the last minute.
Sure you did.
Too late. Oh,
yeah.
Did I get him? Oh, I missed him. I just think it'd be funny if I latch onto one of those, drag it underwater.
I'm thinking that would probably drag that.
Yeah, you guys might have a little more gunt than I do.
Gunt?
Well, gunt.
I think you meant grunt.
There's not. No, I meant gunt. There's not much to mine. Here, let's try side-by-side fishing. Here we go. Check this. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, don't hit me. Where are you going? Come on, what's going on? Thought we were fishing together.
His boat stopped.
You dead?
Oh, there it goes. Well, he probably had weed. It was a dead stop.
I have weed. Yep. Turn it off. It's mine then, because I was right beside you. They meant to grab mine.
Yeah, because yours is going at a speed that they normally catch fish at. Still managed to pull off a dick move, huh?
So the torque beats the horsepower.
Did you see that?
Turn left. Need chains.